Good afternoon. I'm going to give a demonstration of an air-driven or pneumatic hooping device for embroidery garments and material. You take the standard embroidery hoop, you put the outer hoop in this placement, you take the inner hoop and put it on the disc. This is a number 15 hook, by the way. You can place your backing. You can place your backing before you hoop your shirt or get ready to hoop it, or you can put your shirt on the board and then slide it in. We do it either way. Pull your shirt up over the board, and the way this particular board is configured around the top curvature, you put the top shoulder seam, and then on this side, on the straight side, you use your placket, and that gives you a perfect placement of your embroidery. Now, if we look down here, is the foot pedal, and that's what activates the machine to automatically hook your shirt. Now, I'll step on this foot pedal. Here we have a hooped shirt. Again, step on the foot pedal, shirt is hooked. We designed these machines here at Campus Chalet back in the 90s, early 90s, solely because of the problems that we have with carpal tunnel, tendonitis, hand injuries, thumb injuries. And this certainly, it solved our problem that we had, but a benefit that we realize now is it does actually hook garments faster, it does speed up production, and the fatigue of an operator at the end of the day is a lot less. It's a lot less motion, a lot less back problems, a lot less bending over. We'll hook it one more time. That's all there is to it. Also on this machine, as the airline comes in, we put a T connection. So each one of these machines has a connection for an air gun, which is very handy to come back to your blow out your hooks, knives, your shop area. So that's a real handy bonus. Now we also have this. Of course, this one we know it's made for hooping finished shirts, pre-made garment items. Over here is another model of this machine. And it is designed to do large pieces of material, large garment panels. When we designed these, that's primarily the type of work we had in here. It was garment parts. And today, of course, a lot of that work has moved to, it's not done in the U.S., but this is the same machine as the one that was just demonstrated. However, this machine is designed for garment parts. You've got bigger area. You can draw your templates for restoration of the garment parts. It's just the same thing. It's just bigger. Does the same. There's your foot activation. This is a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. Pretty much handles every adjustment on this machine. It handles adjustment for your hook guides. It handles adjustment for the disc. Actually, how we change disc is we just take it off, put the other disc on it, and put it on like that. Of course, they have an airline, hooks into your main air supply. If you don't have air supply in your shop, factory, whatever, a less than $100 small air compressor can be bought that you can hook these into. It takes just a very little amount of air, 10 pounds of pressure, and it's just one shot to activate this cylinder. The important thing about this cylinder is these cylinders have 2 rods. That's very important. Keeps the hook from turning and twisting, keeps this very straight, very exact for restoration. It's a very compact unit that can be carried around. It's not heavy, not that heavy. It can be carried around, moved from machine to machine, or whatever configuration that you want. Now over here is another device we made. And it is for framing hats. Actually, what we have here, what this machine does is pulls the back strap of the back down for you. Instead of your thumb doing this process, this pulls the strap down so you have both hands to align the hat. First you put your backing, just like you always do. Here's what we have. Just pull the hat down, it's snug. Now you have both hands to align the hat, but a benefit of this is the way we have this set up is your hat's already in the right position. You just frame it like you always do, like when you do it by hand. And there you have it. You get a really good grip on your hat. Sometimes you can avoid the pins and clips. Well, that concludes these air-driven devices. You can contact me at Campus Chalet Embroidery, 800-422-7291, or campuschalet.com. Thank you.